Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to use WhatsApp call dialer. Let's have a look. First, open WhatsApp on your smartphone. Then tap calls from bottom menu. Tap green call button from bottom of the screen. Here you will see a new option call a number. Tap call a number. This will open up call dialer on WhatsApp. Now you can enter WhatsApp phone number, then tap call. Or you can paste the number you want to call, then tap call button. For iPhone, open WhatsApp, then tap calls. Tap plus sign on top right, then tap call a number. Now you can enter WhatsApp phone number or you can paste any number. So these are the steps to use WhatsApp call dialer. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.